much I cared for you. Now you've returned to your eternal home. You were the heartbeat living in my soul. Why did you leave and let me walk alone? I truly loved you more than words could say. Now you're gone and far away. Every memory still shines so bright, like a star that lights the night. I remember when you were still beside me. You cried softly while I held you close. I still hear the words you used to tell me. Through life and death we'd stay together. But now you've drifted far away, leaving me with endless sorrow. You were the heartbeat living in my soul. Why